Amigos, here are your directions for today, el 6 de mayo. We're going to continue to practice our comparison words, so we're going to do that with boom cards. So for this boom cards, it'll ask you to log into this window. Make sure you click sign in with Google. And then you're going to do some translating, and you have some words that you can fill in, but also words that you're going to type in. So you're going to translate the sentence that's here. Make sure you read the directions too. You're going to drag a form of ser. So I'm saying I am taller than you. So that's yo soy. So I drag my form of ser to the first box. If I'm going to say taller than, I'm going to drag my comparative phrases to the black and the green spots. So my choices are más, menos, tan, tanto, menor, mejor, mayor, and peor. And then our green choices are either que or como. So if I'm saying I'm taller than someone, I'm really saying that I'm more tall than. So I'm going to use the word for more, which is más. And then que goes with más. And in the center here, I'm going to type the word for tall. Now I'm describing yo, so I'm going to use alto or alta. Then we're going to click submit. It'll tell me if any of these words are wrong. If not, it'll take me to the next one. Now notice with this next one, we have Alicia. So again, I need a form of ser. So I'm going to use es because that's a she. Alicia es, she is prettier. Prettier, again, we're going to use more pretty than. So we've got más and we've got que on the outsides. And then in the middle, we're going to type the word for pretty. But remember, Alicia is not bonito. Alicia is a girl, so I have to say that she's bonita and then click submit. That's the biggest thing that I'm seeing as an issue as we've been going throughout this week. We're pretty much getting más and menos and tan and como okay. Our forms of ser we need a little bit of a review on, but I think they're clicking. It's the noun adjective agreement that we're forgetting. So remember, if I'm describing someone singular, I can just leave everything alone, singular and masculine. If I'm describing a girl, though, I need to change my adjectives to end in a. And if I'm describing more than one person, I need to change them to end in an s. So you're going to be practicing that with here. It'll take you, and once it tells you that you're done, you'll click submit assignment. And then you're going to do the Edulastic comparison assignment that I have for you here. I may recommend, if this window is a little small, I would probably recommend opening it in a separate window. It just makes it a little bit bigger. So what you're going to be saying, you're doing some highlighting and then some multi-part questions with this. So I have this question and you're going to highlight the adjective. And remember, our adjectives are descriptive words. So los gatos son más perezosos que los perros. So our adjective is lazy. They are lazier than the dogs. So I'm going to click that. Now, based on this word I selected, I'm going to select what type of adjective that is. Is it singular masculine, singular feminine, plural masculine, or plural feminine? So it ends in an OS, meaning that it's masculine, and it is plural. So I'm going to choose C. And then what does that word mean in English? What's perezosos mean? It's lazy. Just the highlighted word. You don't have to give me the whole sentence. So that's how you're going to be doing these next ones. Then you're going to be doing it on your own, writing your sentences. So my mom is more artistic than my dad, so we're going to be using our vocabulary, our forms of ser, mi madre es. More artistic than, we're going to say más. And then remember, if I'm describing my mom, she's feminine, artística, there we go. And then que, mi padre. We're putting it all together to write our sentence. And then this last part here, we're going to read all these people's ages on the left here. And then you're going to decide on the right if this person is menor que or mayor que, if they are younger than or if they're older than. So I have Alejandro and Elena. I'm going to find their ages. We've got Alejandro tiene 14 años and Elena tiene 17 años. So Alejandro's 14, Elena is 17. That means Alejandro is menor que Elena. And then the last couple, instead of having multiple choice, you're going to type them in, but please make sure you pay attention and follow noun adjective agreement. So if you have any trouble, any issues, please let me know. If you don't do very well on this and you want to try it again, just give me an email and I can open it back up for you with these Edulastics. They won't tell you if you're right until the end, which is good and bad. I want you to try and learn it without being able to check it every time, but I do want you to understand it and get a good grade on it. So if you want me to do it, open it up for you to do again, please let me know. And if you have any questions, let me know and have a great day. Adios.